We have arrived and we're now in the room that we will be staying. I'm hot.
Yo.
My mom's
God bless you. Never fight with a
phone case. This is a phone. The phone in a phone
yes.
case. This is my other good phone case here. What an awesome daughter. Can't stress it enough, man. Daughter of the year. See how it look there? Wow, I look crazy. The Wi-Fi is not working. I just entered the new battery into this camera and it's working just fine. I haven't felt it overheat or try to explode, so that's good. I got the new tripod also, the flexible tripod. Good morning. Mommy left the clothes at the laundromat. I went to follow her to the laundromat to get the clothes that she left. Really, one of us could go, but I didn't want to go by myself, so I'm tagging along.
Put the door. You have the key right here?
Yes, Mom. This is just to ensure that we're not lost when they're coming back. Oh yeah. Mommy left the load at the laundromat and we went back and couldn't get it because it was not there. So I'm gonna hide on my laptop for it even though the Wi-Fi is still not working.
You never see me?
I never remember some other key number. Yeah, the shoes I wear at Timberland. I never know until I see the box and I say, at Timberland? So we're in CH Martin looking around. We came to buy a fan.
I like.
Yeah, buy the ripped jeans. Surprise mommy. When mommy come home, she say, what that?
Slippers. If you buy a drink,
I am a laborer. Look at the fish socks. It's a cute fish socks. When you have a corgi socks, I would definitely wear it. Oh, look at this is the men's section, by the way, and they have bow ties and what's that? Teeth. You have the race car and you have the mask. Oh, you have lobster. Lobster socks. The men's section is interesting. They don't treat men right here. Daddy chose a pants and I thought it didn't have any pockets. Well, not a pants, a shorts. I thought it didn't have any pockets. So he's pointing out the one that I saw with a pocket. And then he's like, the ones that I pick up have pockets. And I'm like, what? And I checked it and they did have pockets. They're visible pockets. And I'm like, yeah, men always get the good stuff. Girls have to be searching high and low for shorts with pockets and stuff. Envious. Such cool. Look how Betty Boop cute. We're getting the Betty Boop purse. Blade broke, so we carried back the fan. I'm going to buy a new fan. We came back to the store. I'm looking at purses again. There's this cat one. It's cute. It's not like I have money to put in these purses, you know? It's neon one. Yes, because I want everybody to know that I'm walking around, so of course. Is this the one that I got with Mexico? We decided to go take a walk at the park. Hey Dayz, welcome back to my day. We're going to Manhattan to actually got to take out the recycles.
Then give me come out and go in that park. Let's go sit down over there.
Yeah, man, come.
Half enough. Another one.
I'm not green, I'm not army green, I am color green, bright green.
My mom is dressing me. Let's see how this works out. Videos walk today. Let's find it and see what you've been into. What you looking at? We find the dress, but them do have extra small. Yeah, that look nice for you, daddy. Camera witness, if you ever find a dress that me like, me'll pay you.
Give me all the money we have.
Not all, but we get off. We're now in the men's section shopping for daddy. Nothing can fit me in the female section. How unfortunate.
Then give me tomorrow we come Kayla.